Gaurav this side. I'm from CRC India, Gurgaon. So basically, we are dealing in industrial chemicals. All MRO related chemicals we have with us, and along with that, there is this machinery, which is a parts washer. So any dirty parts which have like grease, oil components, and pistons which is having carbon deposit on it, it can eliminate that. So this is a super product. Looking after the environmental concerns, this is a great product, I would say, and it's a big replacement to diesel and kerosene that is being used within the industries. So that's why it's a very good product, right? Thank you.